People, so see, this is a new little enclosure that my dad has made for them in the balcony. But as you can see, our rabbits are, where is the, he's also coming out of it. He's like, this is like a nice, I don't know, I'll have to put the cage in the corner. But Ayush, she might jump and climb here, and from here she'll be the first rabbit to ever commit suicide. So you see, we have some pressing concerns. Where is the fourth one? I don't know. I can't figure out. Oh, there she is. There. Yeah. There. If you can spot her if you can. This woman, this girl. See, as you can see, keeping rabbits is a lot of effort. And where is she run? Oh. I don't know why this comedy was made. But yeah, this was an attempt. I'll clean their cage and put it for them. They are like a lot of trouble, yeah. And this thing doesn't help at all. And I hope this doesn't fall. Yeah, hopefully this doesn't fall. So yeah, this is how it is.